today we're going to draw Goku.
Yeah.
Goku from Dragon Ball.
Yeah.
Of course everyone should know. But in case if you don't know, he's from this Japanese cartoon called Dragon Ball. That's basically where I've learned drawing from. How to draw everything from.
There's like this dragon which is yellow.
Yes. Anyway, we're gonna show you how to draw him today. What do we need today?
We need a pen.
We need a pen,
Say
black marker, and of course A4 paper, coloring.
Any color.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, give me a 5. Alright, let's bring it on! Okay, let's draw Goku. Okay, first, let's imagine that's his face, and it's got a massive hair that goes like boom, boom. So make sure you draw his face fairly small, right? Like something like that, so he can have his head.
But are you supposed to draw his body and stuff?
No, just his face now. Okay. Okay, let's start from his face. No, his face. Okay, draw. Okay, watch.
Where's my pen? Oh, I need to get one pen. And where's my pen? Oh,
Come on, Toa.
where's my pen? Huh? It's Sharpie.
Why would I know? Okay.
Oh, Sharpie. There you go.
Alright, like that. Yes. That's it. And
his
we
ear?
need his ears. Yeah, like that. Just curve. Very simple curves. Goes like that. Yes. And let's draw a little bit of his fringe. One. Very it's very pointy, hey?
It looks like W mostly.
2, 3, 4, and just side burn like that. Okay, now we've got basic done. Okay, just a little bit here like that. Okay, we need his eye first. Okay, basically his eyebrows just go like that. 2 curves. You can fill it up if you like. And then another curve that goes like that. Like that. Yes. Little line on the end. Alright, and we just need almost like a half circle for his eyes. Like that. It's got very distinctive eyes. Half circle that's coming off on the edge of his eyebrows, like that. And his pupil is kind of right at the center. Pretty tiny, but very strong. Pupil. Looks like that. Alright. His nose is just tiny, it's just basically a little curve. Like that.
It's simple.
And he's kind of semi-angry but like smiling at the same time. It's a very Goku smile, yeah. His cheek is
It's like screw.
it's like like a little lines that goes under his eyes.
It's like this.
Very
It's not like that.
mustache. Wow, that's very
It's like
Goku.
this.
Okay, now we got the big. Oh wow, you've got pretty much there. Yeah, that looks very much Goku. Okay, we just need a little more details on his ears. It's like a couple of lines, just so it looks more like a ear, not like some curves. Alright, okay, you've got the main face done.
So this way.
Okay, so we need one. Okay, his head is basically made out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, on the right. Okay, big one, another big one, and then 3 small ones. Okay, so why don't we start somewhere around there for the biggest one? You can go kind of instead of curves, you can kind of go like this, like very pointy shape like that. Okay, 1, 2, and 3.
It's just basically a line.
Yeah, just a lot of lines. 4, and you just get it as it goes down, it kind of gets smaller. And then 5. Yeah. And then he's got a little hair that's sticking out like that.
It's so weird out here.
Yeah, he's got a very unique hairstyle.
It looks like he just woke up.
Okay, he's got a little antenna looking hair sticking out from here as well.
And then you can color
And
it
then,
black.
not yet.
Already.
And then we have a little
Curve.
and then another antenna looking one that's sticking out. And then we just need 1, 2, 3, and that's it.
4, 5.
So like a medium size one, big one, 2, 3. Wow. Little here. Wow.
He had lots of antennas.
He has. Okay. Well, that's pretty much done. So let's get to
face.
let's get to the
Body.
let's get to the body. You want to do the body?
Yeah, really.
Yeah. Okay. If you like it.
It's gonna be hard, really.
It might be hard.
Yeah.
So let's stop with hair for now because we're gonna have to color it. Yes.
Yeah.
Fast forward.
Yep.
Let's go. Okay. Alright, we've done coloring. That was a lot of black. Oh my god. We used so much inks. Obviously you can do a lot easier with pencils or paint, or maybe you don't even do it. Just a lot of coloring with a black marker. Anyway, that was Goku. Well, that's cool. He looks a bit sunburned. He probably went to Hawaii, yeah? He's like, woo, aloha. Alright, that was Goku. Well, Goku when he was a kid. Yeah, was it fun?
Wait,
Yes? Okay, high five.
Oh, I didn't know that was Goku
Okay.
when he was a kid.
Yes, he's a kid. Anyway, okay, if you like watching this, make sure you subscribe to our channel at Kids
Kids
Factory. Yes, and we're gonna keep drawing lots of cool Japanese characters. Thanks for watching today.
Yeah.
And see you next time. Goku, hola Goku. Bye.